All right, let's tackle a word that sounds way more complicated than it actually is. Ready to break it down with me? Let's do it.
Okay, first up, we have you, just like the letter. Say it with me. You. Perfect. The next part is big. Nice and quick. Big.
And then it's we. Super easy, right? It sounds just like the word we. Let's hear it. We.
And to finish it off, we've got tuss. Got it? Tuss. Awesome. Now let's string all those sounds together. So we have you, bic, wi, tuss. Put it all together and you get ubiquitous. So what does this fancy word actually mean? Simple. It just means something is, well, everywhere. You see it all the time, all over the place.
Think about it like this. These days, smartphones are ubiquitous, right? I mean, you see them literally everywhere you go.
So yeah, if you're looking for other words that mean pretty much the same thing, you could say widespread, or common, or even universal. It's the complete opposite of something that's rare or hard to find.
All right, let's say it one more time together, nice and clear. Ubiquitous. And just like that, you've got it. Nicely done.